Let me say something that might surprise you. One of the simplest ways to start making money online doesn't require followers, tech skills, inventory, ads, or even showing your face every day. And chances are you've already bought this kind of product before without even realizing it. Today, I'm going to walk you through how beginners are using Amazon KDP to sell low content books, how the whole system actually works, and whether this is something that even makes sense for you. If we haven't met yet, my name is Danielle. I am a mom, a wife, a full-time teacher, and a digital marketer. I was tired of living paycheck to paycheck. Yes, after 23 years of teaching, still living paycheck to paycheck. I changed that because I didn't want to quit the job that I love. I am not here to sell you an overnight success story at all. I want to give you a clear, realistic walkthrough so you can decide for yourself if this is a path that you may want to explore. So first, what are low content books exactly? When people talk about Amazon KDP, they're usually not talking about novels or textbooks. Low content books are things like journals, planners, logs, notebooks, trackers, to-do lists, etc. These are books where the buyer fills in the pages, not you. Most low content books are created by designing a cover, creating one interior page, and then repeating that page throughout the book. That's it. Now let's talk about how Amazon KDP actually works. KDP stands for Kindle Direct Publishing, and it's Amazon's print-on-demand platform. You create the book, upload it to Amazon, and then someone buys it. Amazon prints it, ships it, handles returns, and deals with customer service. You never touch inventory. You never ship anything yourself. Amazon will take a percentage and you earn the royalties. This is one of the lowest risk business models for beginners because you're not paying the inventory up front. Here's the part though where most people get it wrong. They create books that they like instead of what the market is currently buying. The smart way to approach this is to do your research first. Look up what kind of journals are selling. How many pages do they have? What size are they? What themes are popular right now? These are tools that show real Amazon data so that you're not guessing, and that's how people avoid wasting time on products that don't sell. Low content books make money through volume, not massive profit per book. Now, creating the actual book is where people usually overthink things. You do not need to have any graphic design experience. If I can do it, you can do it. There are platforms built especially to help you create book covers, interior templates, and properly sized files for Amazon. You can choose your page size, your page count. You can use built-in interior templates, customize your text, export files, ready for upload. Once you understand the process, people can create these books in under an hour. After that, you upload everything to Amazon KDP. You'll just enter your title, the description, keywords, categories, and pricing. Amazon even provides you with a free ISBN so that you don't need to buy one. And most books are reviewed and published within 24 to 72 hours. Now, let's talk honestly about the income. Most low content books earn around $1 to $2 per sale. That doesn't sound exciting until you realize that one book selling daily multiplied by multiple books can add up over time. This isn't a quit your job tomorrow strategy. It's a stackable, scalable income stream that you can build alongside your full-time job. This is a good fit if you want low risk, no inventory, flexibility, and that if you're willing to be consistent. This is not for you, however, if you want instant results and you don't want to have to learn something new. If this breakdown helped you understand Amazon KDP in a clear way, make sure you hit subscribe because I share practical strategies for building online income step by step. If you have any questions, drop them in the comments and I will answer every single one. Thanks for watching. I'll see you on the next one.